Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with a lot of exclusive features we will see for the first time in Galaxy device, and some features might break the records to become the only phone to have these features. This year, Apple introduced a new feature called satellite connectivity, where you can share your location and text messages, but Samsung is here and responded with a similar feature on Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, it was confirmed before that Snapdragon Gen 2 will have this feature built in, and Google is also working on this. But Ice Universe shared this information and confirmed that we're going to get this feature in upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung partnered with Iridium to mount the satellite connectivity in Galaxy device, as this company already partnered with Huawei and Apple for this feature on their devices. Samsung is going even further with this feature, and according to this information, Samsung's goal is to share the text message and low capacity images at hundreds of kilobytes. The only issue is the bigger the antenna, the better it will perform, so making the antenna as small as it can be integrated in the phone could be a challenging part. So it is confirmed this feature is coming in Galaxy devices, although Apple only gave this feature in 2 countries, only for Canada and United States. But let's see what Samsung do, either go with only South Korea and US or the whole world. We'll still need to figure this out. Let me know in the comments, are you guys excited about this new feature on Galaxy S23 Ultra? And make sure to subscribe to the channel. Galaxy S23 Ultra display is going to get a big update, and it is going to bypass the iPhone 14 Pro Max highest peak brightness. Galaxy S22 Ultra this year was standing at 1750 nits, and iPhone 14 Pro Max has 2000 nits peak brightness, but Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to come with whopping 2200 nits peak brightness. Brightest smartphone display for Galaxy device or anywhere around the world. And not just that, this display is also 45% more power efficient than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. So there will be no issue if you use this display on peak brightness, as it will consume less battery. By adding the brightest display technology, Samsung is going to stick with the 120Hz refresh rate, but will add the strongest and most durable glass from all the Android smartphones that will launch in the first quarter of 2023. The new Gorilla Glass will be close to Apple's Sapphire Glass. The new 200 megapixel camera will also going to get this protection, which will enhance the image quality and will work better in the low light conditions. Apart from adding protection to the new 200 megapixel camera, Samsung is also going big with the 200 megapixel camera features. By adding 8K video option with a 30 FPS and 4K video at 120 FPS, and will allow users to record portrait video at 2.8K or 4K, and we might see for the first time the new feature sensor shift stabilization in the S23 Ultra, which we have seen on the iPhone 12 Pro Max and onwards on all iPhones. Apart from 200 megapixel camera, all other cameras will remain the same. Samsung is going to launch S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb, and phones will hit the market on 17th of Feb with the great pre-order deals. If you want to see the price and great pre-order deals of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should check this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.